Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into how AI can transform your content creation process. We're talking next level stuff here, people. I'm talking about saving hours of work, boosting your engagement, and basically turning into a content creating machine. We're gonna break down exactly how AI can help you dominate in the content game, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. You guys ready to make some content magic? Let's do this. First up, imagine this. You're staring at a blank page, the dreaded cursor blinking, and you've got zero inspiration. It's a feeling that every writer, whether a seasoned professional or a beginner, has experienced at some point. The pressure to produce high-quality content can be overwhelming, especially when the ideas just aren't flowing. You might have a deadline looming, or maybe you're just trying to keep up with your regular posting schedule. Either way, the frustration is real, and it can be paralyzing. We've all been there, right? The struggle is universal. Whether you're a blogger, a content marketer, or a freelance writer, the blank page can be your worst enemy. But what if I told you there's a way to conquer this challenge? What if you could turn that blank page into a canvas of creativity with just a few clicks? Well, say goodbye to writer's block because AI can actually help you write your blog posts and articles. Yes, you heard that right. Artificial intelligence is not just for tech geeks and scientists anymore. It's a tool that can be harnessed by anyone looking to improve their writing process. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can generate ideas, create outlines, and even write full paragraphs for you. It's like having a co-writer who never gets tired and is always ready to help. I'm talking full-on drafts, people. AI can take your initial thoughts and turn them into a coherent, well-structured article. It can help you organize your ideas, ensure that your content flows logically, and even suggest improvements to make your writing more engaging. And the best part? It does all of this in a fraction of the time it would take you to do it manually. Just feed the AI some keywords, maybe a little bit about what you want to say, and bam, instant content. It's like magic. You provide the basic ingredients, and the AI does the rest. It can generate multiple versions of your content, giving you options to choose from. You can tweak and refine the output to match your voice and style, but the heavy lifting is done for you. But it gets even better. AI isn't just about generating text. It's about enhancing your entire writing process. From brainstorming to editing, AI tools can assist you at every stage. They can help you find the right words, check your grammar, and even suggest ways to improve your readability. It's like having a personal editor who is always available and never misses a mistake. You can use AI to optimize your content for SEO, which means more people will actually see your stuff. SEO, or search engine optimization, is crucial for getting your content noticed online. AI tools can analyze your content and suggest keywords that will help you rank higher in search engine results. They can also help you structure your content in a way that is more likely to attract and retain readers. We're talking about finding those trending keywords, analyzing what's working for others in your niche, and making sure your content is ranking higher than a giraffe in a limbo contest. It's all about staying ahead of the competition and making sure your content is seen by as many people as possible. AI can give you the insights you need to make informed decisions about your content strategy. And don't forget about adding some eye-catching visuals. Visual content is more engaging and can help to break up long blocks of text. It can make your articles more appealing and easier to read, but finding the right images can be time-consuming. That's where AI comes in. AI can help you find the perfect images and graphics to make your content pop. It can analyze your text and suggest images that are relevant and high quality. You can even use AI tools to create custom graphics and infographics that will make your content stand out. With AI, you can take your blog posts and articles to the next level, making them more engaging, informative, and visually appealing. Okay, so we're making awesome content, but how do we make sure it reaches the right people? In today's digital age, creating content is just the first step. The real challenge lies in ensuring that this content finds its way to the right audience. Imagine spending hours, days, or even weeks crafting the perfect video, article, or social media post only for it to be lost in the vast sea of online content. It's like shouting into the void, hoping someone somewhere will hear you. But what if there was a way to guarantee that your content not only reaches but resonates with the right people? That's where the magic of content personalization comes into play. That's where content personalization comes in. It's like having a superpower that lets you read your audience's minds. Imagine being able to anticipate what your viewers want before they even know it themselves. It's not just about guessing. It's about using data-driven insights to make informed decisions. Think of it as having a crystal ball that reveals the preferences, behaviors, and desires of your audience. With this superpower, you can create content that feels tailor-made for each individual viewer, making them feel seen, understood, and valued. This level of personalization can transform casual viewers into loyal fans and advocates for your brand. AI can analyze data on your viewers faster than you can say algorithm, figuring out what they like, what they don't like, and what they want to see more of. Imagine having a team of data scientists working around the clock, sifting through mountains of data to uncover hidden patterns and trends. That's essentially what AI does, but at lightning speed and with unparalleled accuracy. It can process vast amounts of information in real time, providing you with actionable insights that can inform your content strategy. Whether it's understanding the types of videos that get the most engagement or identifying the topics that resonate most with your audience, AI can help you stay ahead of the curve. And here's the crazy part. AI can then use that information to tailor your content to different groups of people. It's like having a million different versions of your content, each one perfectly customized for each individual viewer. Imagine being able to create personalized experiences for your audience at scale. Whether it's tweaking the messaging, adjusting the visuals, or even changing the format, AI can help you deliver content that feels uniquely relevant to each viewer. This level of customization can significantly enhance the viewer experience, making them more likely to engage with your content, share it with others, and come back for more. It's like having a million different versions of your content, each one perfectly customized for each individual viewer. Imagine the possibilities. From personalized video recommendations to tailored email campaigns, the potential for creating meaningful connections with your audience is endless. By leveraging AI-driven personalization, you can ensure that your content stands out in a crowded digital landscape. It's not just about reaching more people, it's about reaching the right people with the right message at the right time. This can lead to higher engagement rates, increased brand loyalty, and ultimately, better business outcomes. Talk about giving the people what they want. When you deliver content that resonates with your audience on a personal level, you're not just meeting their expectations, you're exceeding them. This can lead to deeper emotional connections, stronger brand affinity, and a more loyal and engaged audience. In a world where consumers are bombarded with content from all directions, personalization can be the key differentiator that sets you apart from the competition. So embrace the power of content personalization and watch as your audience transforms into a community of passionate advocates for your brand. We're talking next-level organization here, people. Forget about spending hours planning out your content calendar. AI can do it for you. We're talking about using AI to figure out the best time to post, what kind of content is performing well, and even predicting what topics will be trending in the future. It's like having your own personal assistant, but way cooler. And the best part? This frees you up to focus on the fun stuff, like creating epic content and engaging with your audience. We're talking about those times when you're feeling stuck, uninspired, and basically just staring at a blank page like it's a math test. You know the feeling, right? The cursor blinking at you, almost mocking your inability to come up with something creative. It's a common scenario for writers, content creators, and anyone who needs to produce written material regularly. The pressure to generate fresh, engaging content can be overwhelming, and sometimes it feels like your brain has just hit a wall. But don't worry, you're not alone in this struggle. Well, guess what? AI can help you generate ideas faster than you can say creative block. Imagine having a tool that can spark your creativity and get those ideas flowing effortlessly. AI technology has advanced to the point where it can assist you in brainstorming, organizing your thoughts, and even suggesting new angles you might not have considered. It's like having a virtual assistant dedicated to helping you overcome writer's block and keep your content fresh and exciting. We're talking about using AI tools to brainstorm topics. These tools can analyze trends, keywords, and even your past content to suggest relevant and timely topics for you to explore. Whether you're writing a blog post, an article, or even a social media update, AI can provide you with a list of potential topics that are sure to engage your audience. It's like having a brainstorming session with a team of experts, all focused on helping you succeed. Come up with catchy headlines. We all know how important a good headline is. It's the first thing your audience sees, and it can make or break their decision to read your content. AI can help you craft headlines that are not only attention-grabbing, but also optimized for search engines. By analyzing data and trends, AI can suggest headlines that are more likely to resonate with your audience and drive traffic to your content. It's like having a headline expert at your fingertips and even generate full-on outlines for your articles. Once you have your topic and headline, the next step is to organize your thoughts and structure your content. AI can help you create detailed outlines that serve as a roadmap for your writing. These outlines can include key points, subheadings, and even suggestions for supporting information. With a clear outline in place, the writing process becomes much more manageable and less daunting. And once you've got your ideas flowing, AI can help you flesh them out into fully formed drafts. Imagine having a tool that can take your outline and expand it into a complete draft, with well-structured paragraphs and coherent arguments. AI writing software can assist you in developing your ideas, ensuring that your content is clear, concise, and engaging. It's like having a co-writer who can help you polish your work and bring your vision to life. It's like having a writing partner who's always on call and never gets tired of brainstorming. Whether you're working late into the night or need a quick burst of inspiration during the day, AI is there to support you. It can provide you with fresh ideas, help you organize your thoughts, and even assist in the actual writing process. With AI as your writing partner, you can overcome creative blocks, produce high-quality content more efficiently, and ultimately become a content machine. We're talking about creating content that's so engaging, people won't be able to look away. AI can help you create interactive content like quizzes, polls, and even those cool choose-your-own-adventure-style posts. It's like turning your content into a video game. Who wouldn't want to play along? And don't forget about using AI to generate those killer calls to action. We're talking about those little prompts that encourage people to like, comment, subscribe, and share your content with the world. Okay, so you've got amazing, engaging content. That's awesome. But even the best content needs a little polish before it's ready for the world to see. That's where AI-powered proofreading and editing tools come in. We're talking about catching those pesky typos, fixing grammatical errors, and making sure your writing is clear, concise, and easy to read. And here's the best part. These tools can even help you with things like tone and style, ensuring that your content sounds consistent and professional across all your platforms. First up, we've got Jasper AI, your new best friend for generating high-quality content tailored specifically for marketing and blogs. It's like having a team of professional writers at your fingertips. Then there's Grammarly, the grammar police you never knew you needed. It'll catch all your typos and grammatical errors so you can focus on creating awesome content. And let's not forget about Surfer SEO, the SEO wizard that'll help you optimize your content for search engines. It's like having a secret weapon in the battle for online visibility. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights on leveraging AI in your business. See you next time.